Hey everybody, this is Miss Gigi, and today for our Crafty Friday, we are going to be making this beautiful flower pot card that I have here. I found a few tutorials online, so I decided to make my own and create my own template, which is available to you within the description of our video. So, boys and girls, let's get to you within the description of our video. And once you've gotten your ribbon through right here, you put it in. You put it in one side and then you put it in the other and then you tie a knot. And this is the final outcome. Isn't this pretty? So that when that special somebody, your mother, or like I said, if you don't feel that these are appropriate, you can remove them and add your own writing. Once your loved one receives it, they'll open up the ribbon. Here, I'll do this one. And you'll see that there is a special note. And here's one to my mom. Felicidades, Mom. Best wishes, love, Glitza. And that's how we say happy. Okay. And there you have it. This is the flower pot craft. I hope you enjoyed this. If you have any questions, just shoot us an email. And like I said, if you don't find the language that you're interested in using, you can also use that email. So this is Miss Gigi signing out, and have a wonderful weekend. Thanks.